What's going on, guys? It's RTG Elite or Sean here, and today I'm bringing you guys my setup video, and this is going to be a time-lapse video as well because I'm moving my setup somewhere else, so hope you guys enjoy this video. Now, this is my room. That's my bed right there, and then my setup's going to go right there right now, and my setup is currently in my closet because it kind of fits in there, but soon for Christmas I'm getting my whole 3 monitors and everything else, so I'm going to be moving the setup. So I'm going to be showing you guys the time-lapse video of the setup. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll meet you there. Peace. Okay, so what's going on, guys? It's RTG Elite, and this is the final little cut of my setup now. As you can see, in my closet. All my stuff is just like a storage place now, with all my stuff in it. So that's the first thing. So that's my closet. It's got a few boxes in there. My bed's right here, which used to be facing that way right there. It's becoming that way, but now it's that way. My backpack. A few little things I have to still put on my setup. Just a whole bunch of posters. I hung that poster up as you saw in the video, and I hung that one up. And the best part of this whole setup is right here. This is my gaming setup, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. 3, 2, 1. My setup is covered in lights. It's hard to see because it's so dark. I will turn the light back on. You can see, setup's got lights, all the lights on it. Chair, it came all the way around. Actually looks pretty cool. I decided to do this because I don't have a strip, an LED strip yet, and I'm using these, and I'm probably gonna keep them until Christmas is over. And then when Christmas is actually over, I probably will take them down to get an LED strip. But for now, this actually works pretty well. It's pretty cool, actually. Make sure you guys subscribe if you're new to my channel. Make sure you like my video if you enjoy it. It helps my channel grow. It helps more people see my videos. Make sure you go follow me on Twitter and Twitch, which will be linked in the description. This is RTG Elite or Sean, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.